Have you ever picked a newspaper and then glanced at the first page and thought that these headlines look so powerful, but it's hardly to understand them? But if I told you that these headlines that you read are not just news, it's free English lesson. In this video, I'm going to show you how to learn vocabulary, grammar, sentence structure, and every professional spoken English, all by reading newspaper headlines on daily basis. Stay with me till the end. Let's begin. Let's see the segment number first. Why newspapers headlines are so powerful learning tools. Headlines are most condensed, information-rich form of English. Learning English through headlines helps you, firstly, develop your reading skill in real-world English. Second, it gives you learn modern and current vocabulary, which is really popular in ongoing scenario. It also helps you in understanding grammatical structures and practical settings of grammar. It helps you to improve your ability to summarize and speak very formally. This method makes English a part of your life, your own life. So these are the benefits of reading newspapers. Now, second, how do headlines are structured? Headlines do not follow a full grammatical structure. They follow a headline, main grammar, which is more direct and really compressed. So there are certain rules. First, articles are dropped. Present simple tense is used for past events as well. Passive voice is shortened in most of scenarios. Auxiliary verbs are removed completely. For example, you might have seen this, like storm hits coastal villages. In explanation, you can see that a severe storm has affected villages near the coast area. For example, women elected as a mayor. A woman has been elected as a mayor. So they are really shortened, and it helps you to shorten your sentences as well. Segment number 3. Let's learn about vocabulary building with the help of headlines. 10 common headline words: unveil, boost, curb. There are certain words that are kept there, and you'll find it really common. Curb means limit. Vow means promise. Spur means encourage. Crackdown means taking a strong action. Swamped means improve quickly. Plumb means fall sharply. Soar means rise dramatically. Tweak means making small changes. There are more vocabularies. So when you go through these words in newspaper, it triggers your brain that you can use this as well as compared to the lengthy structures of words. You can use the shorter one. Let's learn about segment number 4, daily practice routine. It is just 10 minutes daily workout. Choose a newspaper, pick 3 headlines, note the unfamiliar word which you think is coming for the first time in your life. Now write the full sentence versions of that particular word that you came across and you find it's really new for you. Now speak aloud in front of a mirror. For example, the headline is "School shut as mercury rise." Now you can see the full sentence of it. Like there will be explanation of that particular headline. Right? You can see the headline, and now there's complete explanation of that. Note it down. Segment number 5. Now using those headlines in conversation, in real life conversation, which I've just learned. So now use headline language. For example, according to today's news headlines, talk about it with your friends, with your family members, someone who supports you. The newspaper reports that, or a new report says that. For example, you can see that according to today's news headlines, government plans to unveil new health scheme, and it's one of the most important schemes that has ever unveiled in India. Let's talk about speaking activities for students. Just pick 5 headlines, assign 1 headline to 1 student. Now rewrite full sentences from that particular headline. Now speak out loud. This improves your grammatical structure, fluency, confidence, everything all at once. You can see just one activity and it just changes your way of thinking dramatically. Let's have a recap of what you have learned in this video. Headlines follow special grammar, and you learn practical vocabulary with the help of grammar. If you just rewrite the headlines, this helps you to improve your grammatical structure as well. And if you practice them aloud, this builds your fluency and your speaking skill as well. If you use them in real life conversation, this makes you feel more professional in front of anyone. So next time when you read a newspaper, use those headlines in order to learn English. If you find value in this session, please subscribe to Vision Spoken English. We will help you to speak, live, and succeed in English. Share this with someone who reads news but hasn't even discovered a classroom hidden inside it. That's sufficient for today. We'll meet tomorrow in the next one. Take care of yourself.